So pulse is very important topic for practical exams of medicos. It is also important for theory exam, but it is mainly a topic of practicals. What is pulse? It is rhythmic elongation and expansion of arterial wall due to heartbeat. So in this video we will mainly study how to examine a pulse. How to measure a pulse? We are going to study the radial pulse. You can examine the pulse anywhere. There are many points in our body where you can record the pulse rate, but today I will show you the radial pulse. For this you need 3 fingers, the index finger, the ring finger and the middle finger. These fingers you have to place over the radial artery. Before you start the examination of radial pulse, you have to take the consent of patient or the subject and have to explain the procedure. Now start the examination. This is the ulnar border and it is the radial border, and here lies your radial artery. You have to put 3 fingers, index, middle and ring finger, 3 fingers over the radial artery like this. Index finger, this finger, index finger should lie towards the heart and the ring finger towards the palm, middle finger in the middle. What is the function of index finger? It is used to occlude blood flow through the radial artery, and the ring finger, it is used to occlude retrograde flow of blood from ulnar artery through the palmar arch, and middle finger, it is used to assess the pulse. So I am feeling the pulse. Place your finger, try to feel the pulse. Okay, if you don't find the pulse, you can shift fingers slightly above and down, lateral or medial. Once you find the pulse, steady your finger there and start counting. Count for whole 1 minute. Don't count for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. Always count for 1 minute means 60 seconds in your exams. You have to notice or you have to observe few points while examining the radial pulse. So what are the points to be noted in a pulse? First one is rate. What do you mean by rate? It is the number of pulse per minute. Here you remember the heart rate and pulse rate is not same. Both are different things. Heart rate is the number of heart contraction per minute, but the pulse rate, it is the pressure change transmitted from the heart to the periphery by the column of blood through arterial wall. So normal rate is around 72 beats per minute. The next one is rhythm. What is rhythm? It is the regularity of pulse. Normally it is regularly regular, but it can be regularly irregular or irregularly irregular. Normally it is regularly regular. Then come to the character. It denotes the tension on vessel wall produced by the pulse wave. So character you have to say it is normal. The next one is the volume. Volume also you have to say normal, but if it is abnormal, you can say it is hypovolumic or hypervolumic pulse. Here character can be of different types, like Water-Hamel pulse pulses, paradoxes, they are different characters of pulse. Then you have to check the condition of blood vessels. You have to roll the vessels against the bony prominence. In old age, there is atherosclerosis of blood vessels due to the hardening of wall. And also you have to record if there is any delay in pulse. How will you record? You have to measure both pulse at a time, like both radial pulse. If there is no delay in any of hand, you can say there is no radial delay. And if you compare the right side of radial artery and the right side of the femoral artery, you can say there is no radiofemoral delay. So before coming to the pulse point, how will you describe a pulse? If an examiner gives you to examine a pulse of a subject, then how will you describe it? You have to say for all points. The pulse rate is whatever you get, 70, 80, 90, whatever you get. Suppose you got the 80, you have to say pulse rate is 80 beats per minute, rhythm is regular, character is normal, volume is normal, condition of arterial wall, whatever you get is hardened or soft or normal, you have to say normal, and you have to say there is no delay in pulse. Now come to the pulse points. There are different pulse points. The first one is temporal, carotid pulse, the brachial pulse, the radial pulse, the femoral pulse, and the dorsalis pedis. Most commonly we will use the radial pulse because it is most accessible.